everyone, welcome back to Can You Sell This? The show where we take a dive into beautiful, unique products and help you decide if they deserve a place on your shelves. Today I'm really excited because we're talking about something close to our hearts, Agnes and Cat. This is a brand with real soul. It was born in 2017 in the Lake District, surrounded by wild landscapes, rolling hills, and the quiet, simple charm of cottage life. In 2019, we brought Agnes and Cat here to Sheffield, where every product is still handmade by our team with creativity, care and craft. But the inspiration never left the lakes. Every fragrance, from the smoky richness of Rydal Ode to the fresh calm of Windermere, carries the same sense of heritage and nature. The white packaging, the hand-drawn landscapes and soft colours creates that luxury cottage style. Elegant, warm and comforting. It feels classic, not corporate. Agnes and Cat isn't just soap and candles. It's about slowing down, finding the beauty in everyday rituals, and creating homes that feel alive and welcoming. And for retailers, it's a brand that just sells itself. Strong identity, loyal repeat customers, and a story people connect with. Let's start with something small but mighty, the vegan lip balms. These are made right here in Sheffield in small batches. Each balm is made from nourishing ingredients like shea butter, cocoa butter, jojoba oil, avocado butter, and mango butter. No parabens, no artificial colorants, and completely plastic free. Can you sell this? Absolutely. They've got that perfect creamy texture that hydrates without feeling sticky, which keeps customers coming back again and again. And for shops, they're great value. They come in boxes of 6 or in larger bulk cartons for better margins. They fit perfectly in beauty stores, gift boutiques or zero waste shops. Next up, we have an Agnes and Cat icon, the soap on a rope. Each 150 gram bar is handmade using the traditional cold pressed method, enriched with coconut butter for a gentle moisturizing wash. The rope isn't just for decoration. It helps the soap stay dry, which makes it last longer. There are 12 fragrances to choose from, each inspired by place and nature. My personal favourite is clementine. Citrusy, fruity and refreshing. They're vegan, cruelty-free, plastic-free and made in small batches in Sheffield. Perfect for eco-conscious customers and boutique retail spaces. Can you sell this? Display them out like this so customers can come along and smell them, finding their favourite scents, and you'll absolutely be able to sell them. The scents sell themselves. If you're looking for a classic, then the coconut butter soap is it. Each 140 gram bar is hand cut and cold processed, enriched with coconut butter to keep skin hydrated and soft. There are 12 carefully chosen fragrances that smell absolutely divine. And thanks to our traditional making process, they don't sweat. They're beautifully presented in recyclable and biodegradable packaging and are available in boxes of 6. Ideal for affordable, everyday luxuries or thoughtful gifts. They're vegan friendly, cruelty free, SLS free, and made with care. So they tick all the boxes for retailers that value ethics and quality. So, can you sell this? Let's take a moment to relax, literally. The Agnes Cat eye pillows are filled with linseed and a blend of essential oils for deep relaxation. Gently placing one over your eyes to soothe tiredness, relieve tension, and promote calm. They're beautifully made here in the UK and come in these cotton bags and elegant gift boxes, ready for display or gifting. They're perfect for spas, wellness boutiques, or just anyone wanting to create a little moment of peace. They're vegan, natural, and made with love. Can you sell this? I think you can. I think it does half the job for you. Now let's talk fragrance. The essential oil blends bring the beauty of the Lake District indoors. Each blend combines pure essential oils to create a natural, balanced scent. Perfect for diffusers, oil burners, or even bath rituals. Retailers love these because you can sell them across multiple categories: aromatherapy and relaxation, spa and massage products, bath and body care. They're a steady favourite because they're versatile, natural, and timeless. Add these to your shelves and you're giving your customers that connection to nature, bottled. Can you sell this? Definitely. The Agnes Cat hand and body cream are luxurious, vegan-friendly moisturizers, crafted in our Sheffield production room, designed to hydrate and nourish. The hand and body creams with pump dispensers absorb easily into the skin, leaving it soft and lightly fragranced. Packaged in these stylish grey frosted glass bottles, they combine elegance and eco-conscious practicality, perfect for reuse or refills. They come in 6 captivating scents, perfect for customers looking for sustainable and beautiful skincare. So whether you run a gift shop, wellness boutique, salon, or eco-friendly store, these hand and body creams with easy pump dispensers are a perfect fit. They come in boxes of 4 or in bulk, so they're flexible and offer great margins. Can you sell this? I'm sure you can. Next, we have the Agnes and Cat gift sets. These are the perfect ready-to-sell products for shops that want something instantly giftable. Each set comes in this beautiful house-shaped packaging with floral artwork. They're practical, eye-catching, and they don't need any wrapping. We've got 2 main themes: wellness and beauty, which has a soap bar, a shampoo bar, a lip balm, an essential oil roll-on, and home fragrance, which is ideal for creating that cozy cottage feel. They work great for seasonal promotions, Mother's Day, Christmas, Valentine's, or just as an everyday treat. They're great to display, easy to restock, and they offer strong margins. Can you sell this? Absolutely. And finally, one of my absolute favourites, the Agnes and Cat Fairy Dust. These are handmade bath powders that fizz, soften, and fragrance the skin with natural cocoa butter. Each 500-gram Kilner jar comes with a wooden stick, a wooden scoop, and a gift box, which is a real showstopper on a shelf. There are 8 different scents, from white fig, clementine, sea salt and moss, and rhubarb. So there's something for everyone. They offer 4 to 5 indulgent baths, which means they're great value and a repeat seller for retailers. Can you sell this? Definitely. Agnes and Cat isn't just a range of products. It's a story your customers will fall in love with. From handmade soaps, essential oils, lip balms, and fairy dust, they're all created with care, inspired by nature, and designed to bring everyday luxury into people's lives. If you're an Ancient Wisdom customer, you can now order Agnes and Cat straight from our website. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to see more content like this where we take a dive into different products. And if you want to see Agnes and Cat in person, make sure to book an appointment and come down to our Sheffield showroom. We'll put the link below. See you again soon on Can You Sell This? Bye!